you'll need to create a Kiosk User profile. This method is recommended. While an existing profile can be used, if that profile is logged into on another computer or tablet, the kiosk will be logged out. Give the Kiosk User a password. Click the Create New User button to add the Kiosk User profile. For the Kiosk User's roles, grant the profile the Production Only role. Select Production Only from the roles list. Select Has Scanner from the dropdown to set the barcode scanner behavior. Make sure the scanner you use has carriage return enabled. Click this checkbox to enable Kiosk Mode. Click the Submit button to confirm your selections. You can use the Impersonate button to initiate impersonation for the selected user, or from your kiosk computer or tablet, log into the kiosk profile you just created. On the production order list, you'll be able to see all open build orders. To show how to begin work on a work order, we'll use this order 5.3 as an example. Click Documents in the left-hand navigation to view associated files. The new version of this screen has a Documents tab on the View screen. Click the License Plate option to access this work order's license plate and print it off to give to your production floor employees. Here, you'll see the barcode for this order line. Back on the user list, you can print user badges barcodes to scan into the kiosk. Print off this barcode to give to your production users. You can laminate this barcode and have your users keep them to avoid needing to print barcode multiple times. To begin work, scan the order line barcode from the traveler. Then scan the user's barcode. Once scanning the order line barcode and the user barcode from the traveler, you'll see an active work instance on the work order screen. To end the active work, scan the order line barcode on the traveler to get back to the work order screen. Then scan the user's barcode again. On the work order view, you can now see the active work has been ended. Many of our customers prefer to batch release work orders and hand the travelers out to their production floor users. Here's an easy way to do that. A production manager is able to print multiple license plates at once. To do this, navigate to the Release Build Orders report from the production menu. Click the Submit button to view build orders waiting to be released. In the Move column, select all the orders you would like to release. Once you've selected all the orders you'd like to release, make sure you have line plate selected from the drop-down menu. Then click the Batch Print button to print out the license plates. Make sure to move each order to the proper work location using the Move Orders button to ensure proper location tracking.